Have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you plank every day for 5 minutes? This simple, yet effective exercise targets the core and offers a range of physical benefits. Engaging in daily planks can significantly strengthen your abdominal muscles, enhance your posture, and improve your balance. However, it's important to consider both the potential positive outcomes and the risks. While planking can boost core endurance and muscle definition, it might also lead to overuse injuries if not done with proper form. So in this video, we will discuss what will happen to your body if you plank every day for 5 minutes. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Limited overall fitness gains. While planking offers significant core benefits, relying solely on this exercise may limit overall fitness gains. Planking primarily targets core strength and stability, but it doesn't provide comprehensive conditioning for other muscle groups such as the legs, arms, or cardiovascular system. To achieve balanced fitness, it's essential to incorporate a variety of exercises, including strength training, cardiovascular workouts, and flexibility exercises. This approach ensures that all major muscle groups are worked and cardiovascular health is addressed. Solely focusing on planking may also lead to muscle imbalances or neglect other important fitness components. For optimal results, combine planking with exercises like squats, push-ups, and aerobic activities. This balanced routine promotes overall fitness and enhances overall health and performance. Number 9. Possible overuse injuries. Daily planking for 5 minutes can lead to possible overuse injuries if not done with proper form and variation. Repeatedly holding the plank position places stress on specific muscles and joints, particularly the shoulders, lower back, and wrists. Over time, this repetitive strain can lead to discomfort or injuries, such as tendinitis or muscle strain. To prevent overuse injuries, ensure proper technique, including maintaining a neutral spine and avoiding excessive sagging or arching. Incorporate rest days and vary your core workouts to avoid stressing the same muscle groups continuously. Strengthening surrounding muscles and practicing flexibility exercises can also help mitigate the risk. If you experience persistent pain or discomfort, it's important to adjust your routine and consult a healthcare professional for guidance. Number 8. Mental toughness. Planking daily for 5 minutes can significantly enhance mental toughness. The exercise requires sustained concentration and discipline to hold the position, which helps build mental endurance. As you challenge yourself to maintain the plank despite discomfort, you develop greater willpower and resilience. This mental challenge can translate to improved focus and perseverance in other areas of life. Regularly pushing through the physical and psychological demands of planking fosters a stronger mindset. The ability to endure and overcome the discomfort associated with planking builds confidence and determination. For added mental benefits, try gradually increasing the duration or intensity of your planks. Combining planking with other challenging exercises can further strengthen your mental fortitude and overall psychological resilience. Number 7. Improved metabolism. Planking daily for 5 minutes can contribute to improved metabolism, although its effect is relatively modest compared to other forms of exercise. The core engagement during planking increases muscle activation, which can slightly boost calorie expenditure even at rest. This enhanced muscle engagement helps support metabolic rate by maintaining lean muscle mass, which burns more calories than fat tissue. While planking alone won't lead to dramatic changes in metabolic rate, it complements other exercises that boost overall metabolism. Consistent planking can aid in better weight management and support overall fitness goals. For more significant metabolic benefits, combine planking with aerobic exercises and strength training. Maintaining a balanced diet also plays a crucial role in optimizing metabolic health. Number 6. Reduce risk of injury. Planking daily for 5 minutes can help reduce the risk of injury by strengthening the core muscles, which provide crucial support for the spine and pelvis. A strong core stabilizes the body during physical activities, reducing strain on the lower back and minimizing the risk of injuries related to poor posture or muscle imbalances. Improved core strength enhances overall stability and balance, making it less likely that you'll experience falls or accidents. By reinforcing the muscles that support major joints, such as the hips and shoulders, planking can prevent overuse injuries and enhance overall functional movement. Proper form during planking is essential to avoid overloading other muscles and causing strain. To further reduce injury risk, incorporate a variety of exercises targeting different muscle groups and maintain a balanced fitness routine. Number 5. Muscle definition. Planking daily for 5 minutes can significantly enhance muscle definition, especially in the core area. This exercise engages multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and lower back, as you maintain a stable position. The sustained contraction of these muscles promotes growth and increases muscle definition over time. As you consistently perform planks, you may notice improved definition not only in the abdominal region, but also in the shoulders and legs, as these muscles are actively engaged to support the body. This enhanced muscle tone contributes to a more sculpted and defined appearance. To achieve balanced muscle definition and overall body composition, it's crucial to combine planking with other strength training exercises and maintain a balanced diet. Integrating various exercises ensures comprehensive muscle development and supports overall fitness goals, providing a well-rounded approach to achieving a toned physique. Number 4. Enhance balance. Planking and daily for 5 minutes can greatly enhance your balance. The exercise strengthens the core muscles, abdominals, obliques, and lower back by engaging them to maintain a stable position. This core engagement improves your overall stability and control, which is crucial for maintaining balance during various activities. A stronger core supports better alignment and coordination, reducing the likelihood of falls and enhancing performance in sports or daily tasks. Improved balance from planking translates to greater confidence in movement and stability. Consistent planking helps develop body awareness, making it easier to adjust and stabilize during dynamic movements. To further enhance balance, combine planking with exercises that challenge stability and coordination, such as single leg stands or balance board workouts. Number 3. Increased endurance. Planking daily for 5 minutes can lead to increased muscular endurance, particularly in the core. Holding a plank position challenges your abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back to sustain contraction over time. This endurance training improves the muscle's ability to perform sustained activities without fatigue. As you build endurance, you can hold the plank position longer or perform other core exercises more effectively. Enhanced core endurance contributes to overall physical stamina, benefiting various activities such as sports, weightlifting, and everyday tasks. Consistent planking also helps your body adapt to prolonged exertion, enhancing overall resilience. To maximize endurance gains, ensure proper form and gradually increase the intensity or duration of your workouts. Combining planks with other endurance-focused exercises can provide balanced muscle development. Number 2. Improved posture. Planking every day for 5 minutes can significantly improve your posture. By strengthening the core muscles, including the abdominals, obliques, and lower back, you enhance the support for your spine and pelvis. A strong core helps maintain proper alignment of the spine, reducing the tendency to slouch or lean forward. Improved posture can alleviate strain on the shoulders and neck, reducing discomfort and preventing musculoskeletal issues. Enhanced core stability encourages a more upright and balanced stance, both while sitting and standing. Over time, consistent planking fosters better body awareness and alignment, which contributes to long-term posture improvements. For optimal results, it's beneficial to combine planking with other exercises that target the upper back and shoulders to address the entire postural chain. Number 1. Core strength. Planking daily for 5 minutes can significantly enhance core strength. The exercise targets key muscles of the abdominal area, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and the transverse abdominis. By holding a plank position, these muscles are engaged continuously, promoting their development and endurance. A stronger core provides better support for the spine, leading to improved posture and reduced strain on the lower back. Increased core strength also enhances stability and balance, which can improve performance in various physical activities. Additionally, a well-developed core can assist in daily tasks and movements by providing a solid foundation. Over time, consistent planking can lead to noticeable improvements in muscle definition and overall core stability. To maximize benefits and avoid potential injury, it's essential to maintain proper form and integrate a variety of exercises for balanced core development. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.